The Rainbow Bridge Adventure. Once upon a time, in a vibrant town lived four best friends. There was Benny, the brave boy with curly black hair and dark skin, who loved to lead. Ellie, with her long blonde hair and fair skin, was the smartest girl in town. Mason, a red-haired boy with freckles, was the funniest of all. And lastly, there was Jasmine, a girl with brown skin and straight, dark hair, who was kind and caring. One day they discovered a magical treasure map. It led to a chest filled with gems and gold, located at the end of the Rainbow Bridge. The friends decided to embark on this exciting adventure. As they reached the Rainbow Bridge, they found a gigantic gate blocking their path. The gate had an inscription that read, "Only those who solve my riddle may pass." Ellie, being the smartest, took the lead and started thinking about the riddle's solution. After a few moments, Ellie figured out the riddle and the gate opened. The friends cheered and began to cross the Rainbow Bridge. However, they soon noticed that the Rainbow Bridge was crumbling behind them, making them move faster. Suddenly, a large, fierce dragon appeared from the clouds. Mason, known for his humor, decided to make the dragon laugh, hoping it would become their friend. He told the funniest jokes he knew, and to their surprise, the dragon roared with laughter. The dragon, now their friend, flew them to the other side of the Rainbow Bridge, saving them from the crumbling path. They thanked the dragon, and he flew back into the clouds. Once they reached the other side, they found the treasure chest. However, it was locked with a complicated puzzle. Jasmine, being kind and patient, decided to try and solve the puzzle. After a while, the lock clicked open. Inside the chest, they found a note along with the treasure. The greatest treasure is friendship and teamwork. They realized the adventure had brought them closer and made their friendship stronger. This was the real treasure. They returned home, richer not in gold or gems, but in friendship and memories. They learned that together they could overcome any challenge. From that day on, they were known as the Rainbow Warriors, the symbol of true friendship and teamwork.